Hi everybody, it's me, Story Girl. I'm back again, and this time I have a new story for you. This book has a lot of surprises in it, and I think it will be a lot of fun for you. So here we go. The name of the book is Warning, Do Not Open This Book. It is narrated by Adam Lerhopt and illustrated by Matthew Forsyth. Let's see what the end papers tell us. Oh no. Come on, seriously? This book is super dangerous. Why? Okay, whatever. Fine, I guess you don't mind being mauled by monk. Here is the last guy who read this book. Uh-oh. Wait, don't turn the page. See, the end papers are part of the story this time. That's cool. I'm going to turn it. Are you ready? Here we go. Warning! Do not open this book. Narrated by Adam Lerhopt, illustrated by Matthew Forsyth. This is called the title page. I wonder if you have some clues about what this story is about. Maybe you should put this book back. You don't want to let the monkeys out. Danger. Do you like monkeys? I do. Why did you turn the page? Didn't you see the warning? Stay on this page. You're safe here. This is a good page. I like this one. Stop. Wrong way. Go back. U-turn. Please. Monkey. I'm going to keep going. Are you ready? Oh, no. Now you've done it. Uh-oh, here they come. Look at all the monkeys. There are some all different kinds. There's some little lemurs. There's some bigger monkeys. There's even a baby. And that one's got a ukulele on its back. This one looks smart. What are they doing? Can you see them making something? They have paint. What does it look like to you? Let's turn the page and find out. What a mess! I like it. They made themselves a tree. Naughty monkeys. Look at, they all have paint all over them. It could be worse. Do not tempt fate by turning the page. Please. I don't know what this guy is so worked up about. It's just monkeys. They're taking a nap. What could be on the page? It can't be that bad. Let's find out. Monkeys and toucans. Here come the toucans. They're big tropical birds. They stole the ukulele from that monkey. Can you stop now? Everything used to be so good. Wait, did you hear that noise? That didn't sound like monkeys. What's coming? What is this? It's a big mouth with lots and lots of pointy teeth. It's an alligator! Ah! Look at all the monkeys and the toucans running and flying away. That's a really big alligator. This is a catastrophe. That's a big word that means a disaster. This calls for extreme measures. Only you can set things right. You should set a trap. Can we do that? This will surely work. It is a great trap. What is this? Do you know? Looks like a banana. And who in the story likes bananas? I wonder. Toucans and monkeys love bananas. And alligators love toucans and monkeys. This is the plan. You can catch them all in this book. Let's see if it works. I hope it works. Quiet now. Don't scare them. You need to be silent so they don't run away. You see the string tied on the banana? Will it work? I don't know. Let's turn the page and find out. Ready? This is your big chance. When I say go, you close the book. I'll help with that, okay? Ready, set, go! It says, shoo, that was close. You'd better put this book back. You might not catch them next time. And that's the end of our story. I hope you had fun listening because I had fun reading it. And now I have an idea for something that you can do at home. Are there monkeys and toucans and alligators outside? Do you want to go look out the window and see? Maybe not, but I bet you do have some animals that live outside and you can see them. I thought maybe we could make something to help you look better. So I used a couple of toilet paper rolls and some tape, and I made a set of lookers. You can look out the window and see what animals live outside your house. Maybe you'll see a monkey. I don't know. If you don't have toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, here's another way that you can make a looker. Take 2 pieces of paper, and you can draw on them if you like. I did. And then you might need a little bit of help from a grown-up or a big kid, and you can roll it up like this. See? And once it's all rolled up, you could use one to look out the window, or, see my happy faces? You could use 2, roll them up, and tape them together. And now you have your own set of very cool lookers. Well, that's all for my story time today, but I'll be back again soon with another story. And don't forget, you can share what animals you saw with your lookers. If you want to, you can leave a comment, and I will definitely check that out. Have a great day. Bye for now.